ready, the players are ready, and away we go. Face-off happens. Blizz have it, they're on the attack, it's McNeil. McNeil makes the man miss, he shoots. What a save from Kirkwood. Hicks tries to pass it ahead. A scoring chance there for Wayway, but a great job from the Blizz. Behind the net, dumps it off to Pringle. And what a hit from Riley C. Oh my goodness, it's Hamming. And he scores! Riley C. It all started with him. He gives it to Hamming. Nonetheless. Oh, it looks like Wayway, they have a chance here. It's a 2-on-1. And Wayway, no goal, no goal. Oh, that looked like it went in. What a nice little sequence there from Wayway. That. Marlon Edwards with the shot on goal. No, it's Ayotte. He crashed the crease, and he picks up a goal. His pass gets intercepted. It's Zagari. Zagari to C. Great sequence there. Peeks out a man. He shoots. Great save from Morin. Wayway back on it. Number 73. It's Moser. And he scores. Knight gives it up though. And what a hit! From Edwards. 2 hits in a row. Blizz on the attack. Ayotte shoots and he scores! Wow. His second goal of the night. Hicks loses it though. Marlon Edwards absorbs the big hit. Gives the puck to De La Salle. He goes to Zagari. Zagari then passes it to Bouvier. Bouvier goes to Cyprien. Cyprien goes to C. And C shoots and he scores! That was quick. It's now Zagari, he's by himself. What a save there from Kirkwood. That lost control. And it's now Riley C. And he scores. Riley C. having a heck of a night so far. The score to go down. And it looks like the Blizz win. McNeil, nice backwards pass there. Oh, there's a fight! Oh my goodness! That's unexpected. Nice shot on goal from Wayway. Oh, what a hit from Williams. And what another hit! Oh my goodness! There's some fighting going on right now. These guys do not like each other. Wayway on the attack now, it's Hicks. He takes a shot there. Another shot. Short-handed. That penalty kill was brought to you by Funky Threads. And the Waywayseecappo Wolverines score. Like we said, folks, you can never count out this Wayway team. Looks like that was roulette. Tries to clear it, but Marlon Edwards is right there. He then goes to Cyprien. Cyprien goes to Zagari. Zagari shoots, but what a save from Kirkwood. Wayway on the attack, a great shot there from Jossie, but an even better save from Morin. Does win the face-off. Nice little shot there from Strasky. Oh, Kirkwood blows a tire. Some selfless hockey from Blizz. Back to the action. And Wayway scores. Nice little sequence there. It all started with number 19, Zitko. The puck is dropped. Blizz win. It's Cook. Cook goes to Sharon. And the Blizz score! There's it. It's now Hicks. Hicks. Went to number 21, Jossie. Jossie took a shot there, but has a great stick handling from him. He gives it to Roulette. Roulette to Wheatley. Wheatley to Zitko. And he scores! The score 6-4 now. And that's it for this game.